Hey future healthcare heroes, welcome to Careers 360. Well dear one, are you looking to study at AIIMS Delhi beyond MBBS? Well, AIIMS Delhi is not just about doctors, it's a vast ecosystem of healthcare professionals, and today we will explore the fantastic non-MBBS undergraduate courses that can kickstart your career at India's top medical institute. So let's begin. Listen to me very carefully, it's very important. AIIMS offers several incredible BSc programs which are the backbone of the modern healthcare. So these programs generate allied health professionals, nurses, technicians and specialists, which plays an absolute important role in patient care, diagnostic, their therapies and the medical research. These particular programs are BSc Nursing Honours, BSc Medical Technology in Radiography, BSc Optometry, BSc Operation Theatre Technology, BSc Medical Laboratory Technology. So these are basically the high demand programs with hands-on training in modern labs. Okay, I think बहुत अच्छा फील हो रहा होगा आपको ये सुन के, isn't it? कि यार MBBS के अलावा भी हम AIIMS से बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं. So the fundamental question comes, how do you get enrolled in these courses? The primary requirement is 10+2 with physics, chemistry and biology. Then you need to clear AIIMS paramedical entrance exam, which is highly competitive but totally achievable with focused preparation. Now, mind में आ रहा होगा मैम फीस कितनी है? So talking about the fees, AIIMS courses are heavily subsidized. सुन के शांति मिली. The annual fees are in few thousands and the hostel fees are in the range of only 120 rupees to 180 rupees per semester. Okay, so that's quality medical education at rock bottom cost. Isn't it? Now, do you know that AIIMS is the first Indian medical center to perform a successful heart transplant and establish stem cell therapy? AIIMS undergrads get access to huge patient inflow, over 4 million outpatients annually, ideal for hands-on learning. That's absolutely a big advantage to you people. Now, you don't need NEET, N-E-E-T, just one central paramedical entrance exam and counseling by AIIMS itself only. So few courses such as Bachelor of Optometry, BSc Nursing Honours, they include even monthly stipends. Now, life at AIIMS is not all work. There are many amenities for students such as hostel facility, huge library with access to thousands of books and journals, and even it hosts Asia's largest medical college fest with music, art, sports. To apply for these courses, you have to appear for the AIIMS paramedical entrance. Okay, usually it is conducted around June-July. No NEET exam, N-E-E-T, or any other exam is required for each course separately. Now if I talk about career prospects, graduates, they basically land roles as clinical technologists, nurses, dental coordinators or run private practices. The salary you people will earn will be very fancy. These programs are also open for MScs, I mean to say master's degree and biotech research at AIIMS. So if you are basically aiming for a prestigious, affordable, hands-on career in healthcare, AIIMS Delhi non-MBBS BSc programs are unrivaled. Subscribe for the detailed guides on more such exams. Drop a comment what program excites you the most. Hit and like the subscribe button, and yeah, I'll catch you up in the next deep dive. Until then, stay curious and keep striving. Bye bye and take care.